Still working on that door handle, Cowpokes. Well, howdy, Cowpokes. Guess what I have today? It's a watermelon. I bet you're wondering why I have this watermelon with me today. Well, I bought the biggest watermelon I could find because I just love watermelon and can't wait to eat it. Yummy! And also because today we're going to talk about something on the farm that's big and green. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a tractor. We're going to see a tractor up close and we're going to compare the size of this big watermelon to the size of a tractor, so you can just get an idea of how large those tractors really are. So let's go take a look at one of Gramps' tractors. Look at this big green machine, Cowpokes. You can see that this tractor is a lot bigger than this watermelon. In fact, this tire, it's almost as tall as I am. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my watermelon down right over here where it's safe. Now you can see these tractors are so big and the cab is so tall that we gotta have steps to climb up in there. And I've been driving tractors my whole life since I was a kid, and I can tell you what all those gears and levers do, but Gramps, why don't you explain to them what all those controls are for inside that tractor?
Sure, I'd be glad to. I'm gonna hop up in here and show everybody what's going on. Here is the key that starts the tractor, like right now. She started. Then when you want to shut the tractor off, you got to pull this kill switch right there. You got that, Cowpokes? Here is the throttle. It makes it go faster or slower. This orange handle right here, faster or slower. Here is the different gears that make you go forward and backwards. I'm going to show you guys the different levers and what they do. These are called hydraulics. This lever makes the loader go up or down. This outside hydraulic lever tilts it when you've got a full bucket. You can dump it, or you can make it go down and dump what's ever inside. Okay, Slick Nick, it's time to put the tractor in the shed down here. You say you know how to drive it, so go put her in the shed down here.
We'll do that one out there?
Yeah, right down here.
All right. All right, Cowpokes, I'm gonna drive the tractor.
It's time for another County Line Cowpokes family competition. We've got our two favorite 6-year-old cowpokes here, and they're going to be using pedal cars that are a lot older than they are today. So we've got Hank the city slicker here, and we've got Heidi the country girl, and they are racing on Main Street on the bricks today. So we'll see who can drive their car faster to the finish line. Okay, Cowpokes ready. On your mark. Go!
What do dogs and trees both have alike?
I don't know, dear. No.
Their bark.
Well, Cowpokes, thanks so much for joining us again today on the County Line Ranch. Shh, don't tell Slick Nick. He's still so upset that he ran over his big, delicious watermelon with this tractor, and I have a piece to eat, so don't tell him. Here he comes. See you next time.
Cowpokes! My tractor's on the loose again! Hey, make sure you give a quick click for Slick Nick on that subscribe button. Leave us a comment, like our videos, and make sure you share these to all your social media pages so you can find out what happens next time on the County Line Ranch. All right, Cowpokes, gotta run again for my tractor!